So this is one of the layouts, the first set of pages. You could see the papers are so pretty. You know, it's just using some of the stickers. The Picture My Life card here I cut apart so that you can add that. Love that. These are stamped. These are stamped. These are stamped. This is stamped. And I used this border stamp right here, or you can draw a straight black line with a ruler. In Capri and Bluebird, you have this and one of these. I think it was this one right here. So I kind of like that look. And the Epic is stamped. The Super is stamped. So yes, I'm using this one again, which is kind of fun. It's very, very colorful. You can see the acrylics here, stamped here. We stamped nectarine on nectarine. Stamping some of that white paper. And I edged my pieces with black ink as well. Great for teens. You can not use Here and Now and use it for anything. What I did is I stamped my Capri paper with this paint look right here. And then you can see the splatter look is from the other stamp set. Just like this paper. There's an ombre look right there. All the stars are stamped. You can see them. And this is rolling, stamp rolling with the wheelies kind of look. Oh, and the white gel pen really pops on these pages if you like that look. So rad. So great for teenagers, kids. I'm sure you could think of other people in your family that maybe like to get together, the guys. Definitely I could see the guys doing this. And then you have your journaling right there. So the wings and the colors underneath are the punch outs and the die cuts. And then we have some Picture My Life card here, the black acrylics. The ride is using the Slimline thin cut with black glitter paper. That's the only thing I used black glitter paper on. Wendy, you'll be happy to know I did the insert with the red because this actually was an exclusive pattern with an 8x8 square taken out. So I just used it with the red underneath and I really like the way that came out. Yeah, things are perfect for a kid's paintball party, no doubt. No Limits is out of here, 1-inch strip. That's all you need. So you have all your acrylics, your wings, and just changed it up. So here you have a couple of different patterns to bring the color over from here. And then this is just, believe it or not, this is, I think it's a 3x4 Picture My Life card out of one. I got all of this out of one. So yeah, who's into biking? Who wants to ride? Or what kind of rides do you like to do? Any kind of ride. You could just have fun with this. Maybe this is your scariest roller coaster ride. This is the one that was by Chris Lothian. And she had something like street art fairs. I love the summer festival idea. This is a little bit different too. We're actually using our ink and some plastic to create this grunge look, if you want to call it that. And here you can see how I used the thin cuts from the Simple Serif just to do the summer festival. And a lot of the Picture My Life cards are up here and some are trimmed a little bit. I love this idea. This is a Picture My Life card, and then the paintbrush is a punch out, and then more PML cards cut, mixing paper right here. And you can see that paint paper right here, this blue paint paper. Another PML card. This is another PML card that's fussy cut. So I like that sign, the way she did that. It was just pretty cool. And just having, you know, maybe there's face painting going on at the summer festival, or you going to the seafood festival, you're listening to music, whatever it is. It could be anything like that. Plenty of options for photos on something like this. Here I'm using the mix-ins. This is the exclusive paper right here. It's got a splattered look to it. You can see. Here's how I use the triangles to create some color. Oh, and then I'm using, this is a Picture My Life card, and we're tracing some of the triangles to get this look. I thought that was fun. Every day is a punch-out title. You can change it to whatever. This could be school. This could be basketball. This could be skating, whatever you want. Kids with the sneakers. I stamped 24/7, always ready for adventure 24/7. Super awesome. But I love the colors. So these are mix-in papers right here, the orange and the blue. So what's interesting about the workshop kit is you get one sheet of lemonade, nectarine, bluebird, clover, what else? A black and a white, I think. You get 6 sheets of cardstock. All right, this is 11 and 12. So I really like the idea of using that grunge look, but with lemonade ink to change the look of the background paper. All stamped. Picture My Life card. That's mix-ins paper. Mix-ins, mix-ins, mix-ins. Then you have that heart paper, that paint paper, more mix-ins over here, and definitely some stars. This is my Kit of the Month for June, and I am really excited about sharing this with you, creating all 12 pages at my online event for a special price of only $20. Details are at lincomo.com, and let's create these 12 pages together for fresh paint. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you.